All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Nissan Versa. It is the SV model, this sedan, SV sedan with 4,000 miles. It's got a rear spoiler, super nice premium sound system, steering wheel controls. Again, only 4,000 miles. Look at my little buddies. Look at my other buddy. All right, looks great. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks fantabulous. Your front this hood looks good. This fender looks good. Here's your front driver's hubcap. Let's check out your tires right here, which is over 730 seconds. This door looks fantabulous. This rear door looks good, and this quarter looks amazing. Here's your front driver's rim, a rear driver's side rim. Your tire right here is over 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. No dings, dents, anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. So you know it does come with two key fob combos. And owner's manual still wrapped up in its package. Yeah, turn on this bad boy for you. You guys can check it out. Turn on the lights. AM, FM, CD play on and all that good stuff that's working. Got your AC controls right down below. Alright, got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. See, it has airbag light on, and your mileage of 4,320. 4,320! Open up the trunk, keeping it moving. Rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Whoa, this quarter, I see a dent with some paint off, 10 or more inches. There it is, boom. It's like a crease, a line, I don't know how that happened. Rear bumper, looks pretty good. Rear deck lid, looks decent. Nice Here's your trunk space, what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. There's a spare tire here with some tools, and then tucked away your owner's manual. As you can see, it's still wrapped up. Here comes the ugly. This quarter here looks a little wavy. Whoever's done the body work on it looks wavy. So that's gonna say it's substandard on that. And this one here, it's got some drips. Not wavy, but it has drips coming down. It's again substandard paint work. And so I just want to say that this quarter and this door are substandard. Here's your rear passenger hubcap. As you can see, it's crushed. You need a new hubby. You need a new hubby, guys. Tire right here is over 730 seconds. Other than bad paint work, the door looks okay. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks good. Here's your front passenger hubcap. Tire right here. Yes. It's just under 730 seconds. Alright, that pretty much completes the tour. Lights are fucking working. Car is looking good. My dude. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, 2017 Nissan Versa SV model with 4,000 miles. Question, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.